Check it out. I'm going to show you how to make TikToks from your computer instead of from your phone. And full disclosure, this is a paid partnership. First of all, there's a couple of tools that I want to lay out. Streamlabs, this is one that I use. You can use anything. You can use OBS, you can use whatever, but you need something to basically record from your computer. Then ideally, a nice webcam would be great. There's some really cool like HD webcams that they sell now that are like pretty cheap, but act as like a really powerful camera. I personally use this. It's just a free little program because I have an old Canon DSLR. So I just pop that up there since I'm not using it right now, and I can connect that and make it into a webcam using Canon's webcam utility software. But those other tools are pretty much interchangeable. The thing that's really important is Adobe Express. It's basically an online video editor. They do a ton of other stuff, but it has an online video editor that lets you schedule directly to TikTok, and it has a bunch of other really cool features I want to show you. So I record directly from my computer, and then I just pop it into Adobe Express. And look, I can just edit the start and end times like you would on any other video editor. It's super easy to use. And then when you're ready, you just go up, click share, and click schedule post. And then you can drop right down to TikTok. You can just load everything up ahead of time. Your TikTok is just connected. It took me like no time to connect at all. And then I can just schedule my posts ahead of time directly from my editor. That's super crazy powerful. And then some other really cool stuff they can do. They have an AI art generator that's really good. So you can just type in what you want the art to be, and then suddenly you just have like space whales on a water planet. And then they have a background remover as well. You just go up here, you click remove background. And so you can make really cool AI backgrounds if you want, or just AI art to include in your videos. But they have a ton of stuff.